Steve Spangler's here. We're going to talk science, and kids are in school now. They get the homework assignments, or they're trying to practice something at home. It's do as I do.
Yeah, it is.
Was that what you're saying?
Yeah, and you heard a teacher say it's all about observation, didn't you?
Yes,
right?
I did.
And so this is it. So look at what I'm using: two root beer bottles.
Root beer.
This is for kids.
That's
root
the
beer
good
bottles
stuff, yeah.
from the Coors Root Beer Company, and so that's here. And show everybody 2 pieces of rope. So that's all you need to be able to do this. Okay. So we're going to do a little do as I do. So you're going to present it to everybody. So kind of like a magician would present it. Present the props to everyone. So go ahead and present. Nice job. You got it. Good. Show them the bottle. Good job.
Yes.
Now put the rope down inside the bottle like this. Show everybody the rope. Good job.
Get it down there.
Turn it upside down and wiggle. You got it? Turn it upside down.
Mine just...
Well, you just hold on to it. Turn it upside down and wiggle.
I didn't
it's okay.
know.
I didn't let go. Yeah.
There we go.
So there you go. Now let go and it will float inside the bottle. Go ahead and let go.
No.
And then turn around and let the bottle hang like this. So did it happen?
No, it did not happen.
Okay, I don't know what.
Yeah,
you know what?
something.
Maybe here.
Yeah.
Maybe you got a bad bottle. So here.
No, you're.
Here's my bottle.
No,
I there's
know
nothing.
this.
So this goes here. So look, there's no way. Look at this.
Right.
You just
Amazing.
tickle it like this. And now wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Look at that. See, Kim? Look. You can actually see the rope inside the bottle. Look at this, Kim. And now, Kim, let it swing.
Epic fail.
Just let it swing
no,
back and
look
forth.
at how you do. What are you doing?
It's perfect. It's perfectly.
What'd you do? You have a secret rope?
Oh, that's it. Let's trade ropes.
Let's try
so
secret
watch
rope.
this. So my rope goes inside like this. People, I could do this for hours. So isn't that fun? There it is. Ta-da. You are going to have a blast.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. What?
It's where you're holding this bottle.
Okay, good. So go ahead now. Just let go.
Now wait.
It'll be perfect.
Now wait.
Yeah.
I don't know. There's something. No.
All right. So when we're talking about creativity, innovation, that kind of stuff, there is a difference, and it's because I have this little cork inside my bottle.
Oh, well.
And you do not. See, I didn't tell you it'd be fair.
No,
okay. So watch. So here is the thing. If you do this for kids, and the reason I'm thinking about this is because we're trying to get kids to think critically. If you give them the solution too early, they'll never be a creative thinker.
Right.
So let them. So if I didn't tell you, you'd be thinking about that for a long time. Going,
right.
How does the dumb thing work? So watch what we did. We just took a cork and I dropped it in the bottle. I've also used a piece of aluminum foil that I just wad up. Now you would say you would see it, but I did it right in front of you. The viewers probably caught me because I misdirected you, and they probably saw me do this, and I dropped it in. You might have heard it, but then I held my hand here. You didn't see it.
That's right.
So now let's show everybody a wedge.
That's why I was tricked by where you put your hand.
So kids learn a simple machine called a wedge. Watch what happens. Turn it upside down. In fact, let me do this. I'm going to do it with this bottle here. So let me do it with a clear bottle so you can see what's happening. So watch what I did here. So of course this doesn't fool anybody. Upside down. Look at the wedge that's right there. And look, it stays there. You did it, Kim. That was beautiful. Now watch. Ready? Let it swing.
Oh, wait, I didn't do that.
Hold it in place. It's okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. Try
I
one more
forgot
time.
to swing.
So watch this. You hold it in place. Turn it upside down. You're doing real magic.
I know.
Okay, now turn it upside down. Now hold on to it.
Oh,
turn
hold
it
on
upside
to
down,
it.
and now hold on to the top.
Hold on to the top. Sorry, forgot.
Look at you, magic.
Yeah,
and
finally,
see,
after multiple fail.
Because I put that little thing that I printed out on the printer so nobody sees. So then here's what I did to you. So let's pretend like I was back with this bottle here. So here's what I did to you. Yours, of course, did not have this. And so I went like this to you. I simply went, oh, the bottle. And I just turned the bottle upside down, loaded this into my hand, gave you my bottle. I took your bottle. And when I threw this over there, then I just put this back in here. Nobody was the wiser. It's creative thinking. That's exactly what it is. We're talking about creativity, collaboration, communication, and critical thinking. And so those are the 4 C's. And teachers can write that on the board, or they can demonstrate it, or parents can play at home, and kids will think more creatively. Do it. Root beer bottles. It's going to be easy.
Fool me once, fool me twice, fool me, I don't know,
Well, you
Steve
1,300 times. That's Smart Kubrick.
I know.
Turn it upside down, and you got it. And there it is.
Stinker.
Okay, I know, just
all
keep
of this
that.
is available for folks looking for it anywhere. Online, Facebook, you name it.
Just go find it and play.
Steve Spangler.
I'd love to show you some more things. Okay.
Okay.
It's been fun. Now you know the amazing floating bottle trick.
Yeah, love it.
The magicians would be so mad.
We'll be right back.